Since its inception in 2014, Ekal Gramothan Foundation has been a driving force behind rural empowerment, impacting over 1.3 million lives across India. In just 12 years, EGF's innovative initiatives have brought measurable change to communities, especially women farmers and local youth, turning villages into hubs of opportunity and progress. With unwavering dedication, EGF's initiatives are lighting the path towards a brighter future. Founded with a vision to empower rural communities, Ekal Gramothan Foundation focuses digital education, women empowerment and sustainable agriculture.
किसी सरकार की मदद के बिना समाज की मदद से वहां जाना, समय देना, बच्चों को पढ़ाना, उनके हेल्थ की चिंता करना, ऐसे ऐसे काम करते हैं। संस्कार उनके अंदर लाना, उस इलाके में स्वच्छता का काम करना, जमीन से जुड़े हुए लोग हो, यानी जीवन के हर क्षेत्र में वे, चाहे महिला हो, युवा हो, इवन मजदूर, कुछ न कुछ हुनर सीखें।
Digital education. Digital literacy is the key to unlocking endless possibilities. We provide hands-on learning that opens doors to new opportunities for youth and adults alike in remote areas. These labs are not just classrooms, they are gateways to knowledge, helping individuals gain essential digital skills to thrive in today's world. Ekal Gramothan Foundation operates over 116 computer training, including GRC, IVD, CTL and STC. A total of 32,513 youth is being trained. To reach even the most remote corners, we launched Ekal on Wheels, our mobile computer van that brings digital education right to the doorstep of underserved communities. With Ekal on Wheels, technology is accessible to all, inspiring lifelong learning beyond traditional boundaries. Ekal on Wheels, bridging the digital divide and enabling rural communities to embrace technology anytime, anywhere. Women empowerment. Empowering women is at the heart of Ekal Gramothan Foundation's mission. Through skill development programs conducted in dedicated women empowerment centers, more than 70,000 women have gained confidence and financial independence. We offer training in tailoring, beautician skills, handicrafts, achar papad making, natural color making, and mehendi art, equipping women with valuable skills to achieve economic independence.
It aims to empower tribal and rural communities across the length and breadth of our country through a holistic 5-pronged education program. Functional education for an educated Bharat, health education for a healthy Bharat, development education for an Atmanirbhar Bharat, empowerment education for a self-respecting Bharat, sanskar and value education for an ethical Bharat, e-tablets and computer vans for a digital Bharat, Gramothan Center and skill centers for a skilled Bharat and women empowerment. I am a strong supporter of Ekal.
Sustainable agriculture. Sustainable agriculture training focuses on organic farming techniques, nutritional gardens, and vibrant farmer fairs, equipping farmers with eco-friendly practices. Through Kisan Melas, we connect farmers to markets.
एकल पुरुषार्थ का वैश्विक प्रतिनिधि है। वो अकेले पुरुषार्थी हैं जो विश्व भर को चेतना दे सकते हैं।
अरे एकल अभियान को तो मैं देश के सर्वोच्च अभियानों में से एक मानता हूं और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मुझे समय मिलता तो मैं एकल अभियान के साथ पूरी तरह जुड़ जाता।
Beyond this, by partnering with prestigious institutions like IIT Bombay and Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, IGNTU Amarkantak, EGF ensures quality education backed by certification for their students. English-speaking classes enhance communication skills, while the Training of Trainers program empowers local leaders to multiply knowledge in their communities.
जो समाज में सबसे पिछली सीढ़ी पर खड़े हैं, जो समाज में ग्रामीण क्षेत्रों में नहीं ट्राइबल एरियाज में रह रहे हैं, जब तक उनके हाथ में जीवन की मूलभूत सुविधाएं नहीं आएंगी तो ये कैसे संभव है कि एक हिस्सा इतना पीछे रहेगा फिर भी हम विकसित हो जाएंगे। एकल विद्यालय वो सिर्फ शिक्षा नहीं दे रहा, मैं कह रहा हूँ शिक्षा भी दे रहा है, संस्कार भी दे रहा है और उस संस्कृति की रक्षा भी कर रहा है।
Ekal Gramuthan Foundation's holistic approach transforms lives. One digital lesson, one skill mastered at a time. Today, they are building empowered communities, ready to embrace a future full of promise.